response to climate change, local authorities across Europe have decided to take action and set up sustainable energy climate action plans, also known as SECAPs. Local authorities from the OwnYourSECAP project tell us about their experience.
Our cities are ovens. The main goal is that the climate change is hard there in Turkey. We have a lot of mountains that are very affected. We needed a plan, and I think this is a good way to have a plan, to have a model of the city in the future. No?
Having a climate plan for the future comes with a lot of benefits. Here is what they have to say about this.
The benefits of implementing a SECAP or an LACAP, which is as it's known in Ireland, is that all of the individuals in the local authority that have been working on climate actions have been doing it separately, and we're not aware that what they were actually doing was of benefit to climate action and energy efficiency. So we would have had the roads team working on mobility, public transport and active travel, and housing working on improving the efficiency of our social housing. Now, through SECAP and LACAP, we're able to brand that as climate actions and make people aware that what they're doing is for the greater good and they're not working as individuals but working as a team.
There are obvious benefits. You have a plan for the city. You have connected action that allow you to reach main goals. In the last 3 years, I realized another thing that for me is so important. When citizens arrive to my office, they are always talking about solutions, talking about their needs. Most of the time, it's impossible to solve them in a fast way. But if you have a SECAP, if you have a strategy, if you have a plan, they can perceive that their solution, their problem will be resolved sooner or later. At the same time, you have to take a decision, to make action, no? And for this, it's very important to have a SECAP alive, no?
To succeed in building your own SECAP, here is some advice from our partners.
To build a SECAP that represents your city specific needs, it's very important because the objective is global, but the action is local. To succeed in building a SECAP is firstly, and this is the most important thing, the political commitment. We need the top management to be on board. We also need to assess and to implement the resources that we might need for the future and for the actual present, where we need to implement the SECAP.
The implementation of the climate action plan isn't down to one person or one team. It's a cross-organisational goal, and every staff member is going to have to make a change, and all of these small changes will have a big impact upon our impact on the climate and our energy use and efficiency.
We need to like what we are doing, and we need to be aware that we are building a better future for us and for our next generations to come.